Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the fundamentals. Check Ubisoft server status and any outage notices so you know whether the problem is local. Then restart your router, modem, and your PC or console. Power off, wait 30 seconds, and power on to clear transient network faults. Once done, confirm your local internet connection by loading a web page or streaming. Make sure you have stable bandwidth, ideally 10 Mbps or higher, before proceeding to account and app checks. Next, you tackle the application and account layer. Sign out of Ubisoft Connect, clear the cache or local app data, and then sign back in so tokens refresh. Make sure Ubisoft Connect, the game, and your OS or console firmware are up to date. Updates often fix auth bugs. If problems persist, configure your router. Enable UPnP or forward required ports such as TCP 443 and 80, and relevant UDP ranges like 3074 and 9009,999, because proper routing avoids NAT-related disconnects. To finish, make connection quality your priority. Plug in via wired Ethernet or switch to 5 GHz Wi-Fi to reduce packet loss, and test again. Temporarily disable VPNs, proxies, or aggressive firewall/antivirus rules that can block Ubisoft authentication. Make sure you re-enable protections afterward. If the issue remains, collect Ubisoft Connect logs, note exact error messages, reproduce the steps, and contact Ubisoft support with that information. This speeds diagnosis. Troubleshooting tip: try a different network to isolate ISP versus local issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.